Video yoo sagalee saffisaan deemuu barbaade yoo yeroo isin jala qafixuu ta'e saffisa sii dabalachuu ni dandeessan asuma YouTube irratti jechuudha.
Please don't look down on it. It is very important to know this unity and compare and also balance your ability. What you have learned.
Playback speed normal
Sani wanta kana intafatana outcomes at the end of this unity you will be able to one probakisa qormaata biyyooleessarratti halaaltanii jiraatta yoo ta'e maatiriki irratti jechuudha. Dufuma kanuma walqabatee dhufa.
Akkasumatti normal illee
tokko qal'aadha. Maja defines the basic of chemical reaction. Hanas define Godia defines a Godu Baru.
No, as it is.
Egamal would take unity than a fit.
Secondly,
I cosmetically describe 4 major types of reaction. 4 types of major reaction.
Secondly, Takaduan had Jasa, secondly, Takatuashan in Bagatakatasa.
No, at the back to the unity. Let us jump on there. And you want to talk about it. Tokoto condition master Tiro when we make it. Tokoto Consani is to continue. Spread it at the balcony in detail. Don't look down on you. It's a very important topic to know. Guys, you have to know that one. Set up activity. Introduction. Introduction. At the end of this section, student will be able to define chemical reaction and give some examples of chemical reaction. Explain physical and chemical changes using examples. Please. I swear, man. Change is the law of nature. Got you? Change we observe various types of changes around us.
Secondly,
at a plant, burning wood in a fireplace, rusting of iron, particles. Iron, particles. What does it mean, man? It's all to me. Let me make it bigger. Articles in moist air. Article in moist air.
Yo isini jajjaru kemo akkuma yeroo viale
yani badu
asuman
rotting of eggs wani badu masa qilleen jira foli jira mo ma jira
no speed kana playback speed
and the evaporation of liquid air some of the changes
normally
that we see taking place around us. Scientists categorize changes as physical and chemical changes. Physical change is a change that doesn't involve what? The formation of new substance. Got you? Physical change doesn't involve the formation of new substance.
Thank you for listening to me.
New chemical composition.
Thanks a lot.